Hey, what's up? Today I'm here to show you that how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So for this tutorial we need a brand new iPhone. So let's grab an iPhone 12 Pro Max from www.apple.com. Yeah. Wow, it's looking so amazing and solid. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Turn on the phone. And then choose your country. Then click Set Up manually and select your language here and then click Continue. Connect to your Wi-Fi first to activate the iPhone. And then click on your Wi-Fi network. It will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So till then, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon and do all that good stuff. This will be highly appreciated. Click on transfer directly from iPhone. Bring your old iPhone nearby this phone to sign in and set up. Click continue on the old phone. Now just position this image in the frame of your old phone. And keep the old iPhone near to your new iPhone. Enter the passcode of your old phone here. And choose transfer from iPhone. Agree the term and condition. Click continue. I want to skip this step, so I'm going to choose set up later. Keep your other phone nearby and connect it to the power until the transfer is complete. The restore is completed. After the restart, just type your passcode and click continue and join the Wi-Fi network because the apps and data will continue downloading in the background. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get start. Look, everything is the same application and the same pages is here, and all of your application is downloading in the background, so keep connected to the Wi-Fi. And thank you so much for watching.